Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today, PP officially kicked off its election season, where Abiy Ahmed is bravely competing against his greatest enemy, himself. Experts are already calling it the safest election in history because apparently nobody else is allowed near the finish line. Another joke spreading online says the election results were finalized before the campaign even started. They are just waiting for the printer to warm up. Our reporter is online and will give us detailed information.
Thank you, McJen. Right now, the race between Abiy Ahmed and Abiy Ahmed is extremely close, truly neck and neck. Political analysts say Abiy Ahmed is leading, but Abiy Ahmed is refusing to give up. This may be the funniest election our planet has ever witnessed. Honestly, I don't understand why they are spending all this money and time campaigning when the winner probably already has his victory speech ready, his celebration cake ordered, and maybe even the election trophy at home. Meanwhile, TikTok influencers are busy filming fountains and tall buildings like they are shooting the next Marvel movie. Anyway, let's wait and see what surprises the next few days will bring, although the election result may already be printed. Back to you.
Thank you, Tom. Like it or not, the Potemki party has elected itself once again. See you at the inauguration party.
ከዚህ ሌላ በቡርጂ ምርጫ ጣቢያ አስፈጻሚዎች ራሳቸው በምርጫ ጣቢያ ምልክት ያደረጉ ድምጽ መስጫም ወረቀት ላይ ምልክት ያደረጉ ድምጽ ሲሰጡ ስለተገኙ የምርጫ ጣቢያ ሙሉ በሙሉ እንዲዘጋ ቦርዱ ወስኖ ዘግቷል። ይሄንን ለፈጸሙት አስፈጻሚዎች ደግሞ በቀጣይ የሚወስደውን እርምጃ የሚያሳውቅ ይሆናል።